Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, please hit that subscribe button so I can keep creating content like this. For today's how-to video, I'm just showing you guys how I repurposed a pair of my old jean shorts and made a Claude Monet master copy Impressionist style painting on the pocket. So for this painting, I wanted to make sure that I only got the paint on the actual pocket, so I sectioned everything off, taped it down with some painter's tape. This will make it so that you don't get any stains anywhere that you're not supposed to. Some people don't use this much, but I really want to make sure I only got it on the pocket. And I'm just going to take you guys through this painting. I hope you enjoy. It's a really great, easy way to repurpose a pair of old jeans. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll just leave myself to it. Catch you at the end of the video. After I was satisfied with the first pocket, I decided to add a little bit of a value scale or a palette strip, whatever you want to call it. I guess I wouldn't call it a value scale because I didn't really do every value in order, but just a taste of some of the colors I used on the other pocket. So I added that here, and I actually reused some of the painter's tape just because there's no reason to waste any more tape. And yeah, that's basically all that I did to finish this look off. I was pretty happy with how they came out because I think they're a really cute pair of shorts, and this is one of my friend's favorite paintings by Monet. I'll actually add the reference image I used for you guys to see. This project was really fun and easy. It took about 2 hours, and it was a great way just to experiment with some acrylic paint for the first time in a while. I haven't used acrylic paint yet in 2020, so this was a great little exercise. I would love to do some more work like this. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Please comment a different painting that you would want me to do, whether it's Impressionist, whether it's Surrealism. Just throw out some of your favorite paintings, and I might put them on a pair of shorts in a video for you guys to see. So if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you watched it all the way to the end, please comment on this video. Must be the Monet. Get it? Monet instead of money. Yeah, just little dad jokes for you guys. Thanks again. Stay safe, guys.